Mayong adlaw mga higala, this is your Maestra Judy. Kumusta mo? Ako okay ra. So today in this video, let's talk about the nga linker. A lot of you may know already that it is a linker. The nga linker links pronoun to a noun or adjective to a noun or a noun to an adjective. I'm going to give you some example to show you how it is used in a sentence. We have here examples with demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns, these are the kini, kana, kato, kanang dapita, that place. Kana means that, plus the nga linker, plus dapita. Dapita is location or place. The root word here is dapit. So we have a here at the end of dapita. The a here is actually it gives emphasis that it is a particular place or specific place. Okay, kanang dapita, that place. Next one, kaning balay. Kaning balay, this house. So we have kani, which means this, or kini if you want the other variation of this. So kini or kani plus the nga linker plus balay. Balay is house. Kining balay, this house. Again, it links adjective to a noun. Taas nga bata. Taas nga bata. Taas means tall. And then bata is kid or child. Okay? So, tall kid. Taas nga bata. Another example, this is very common mga higala. Maayong buntag. So, good morning. Another example, bag-ong tuig. Bag-ong tuig. Bag-o means new. Tuig is year. Bag-ong tuig. That means new year. Last example. Tamis nga prutas. Sweet fruit. Tamis means sweet. Prutas is fruit. Okay, another example we have kugihan nga trabahante. Kugihan nga trabahante. When you say kugihan, it means industrious. Okay? Or someone who is a workaholic. Okay? And trabahante, it's a borrowed Spanish term. So basically, trabahante is a worker. Okay? Or employees. Trabahante. So, kugihan nga trabahante means industrious worker. Where should we put the nga linker? Okay, how do we contract the nga linker? Word that ends with a consonant, the nga linker should not be contracted. Like in this case, example, taas nga bata. The adjective here ends with consonant S. So the nga linker right after that should be in full word, should not be contracted. Okay, next one. Here, the adjective that ends with a vowel, the nga linker can be contracted to ng. Okay, and we will attach it to the adjective. If the word before the nga linker ends with a vowel, you can attach the nga linker, but you have to drop the a. Only attach ng. Like also in this case, for example, bag-ong tuig. Okay? Another example here, if the adjective ends with a consonant N, to contract the nga linker, all you need to do is just add the G. Drop the N and drop the A. Okay? You will just say, kugihang trabahante. Kugihang trabahante. Now, next one. It also links the noun to adjective. For example, we have our original example here. Taas nga bata. That means tall kid. We can actually rephrase this to batang taas. Batang taas. Another example, kugihang trabahante. We can say trabahanteng kugihan. Trabahanteng kugihan. Also, we use the nga linker in WH questions. For example, we have unsang orasa magsugod. Unsang orasa magsugod. What time will it start? Unsa is what, and then we have to connect unsa to oras. Oras means time. So we have added a here in orasa because we want to know the particular time that for example, the meeting will start. Okay, that's the use of adding a to a noun. Next one, we have magsugod. Magsugod is in future tense, that means will start. Sugod is start. Okay? Another example, nganong malipayon ka? Ngano is why. Malipayon is being happy. Okay? From the root word lipay. And then ka is you. Nganong malipayon ka? Why are you happy? We also use nga linker with time markers. For example, karong buntag, this morning. So here, karon ends with consonant N. We will just add G. Okay? Unyang hapon. Unya means later, and then hapon is afternoon. So, unyang hapon is later in the afternoon. Number 3, niaging adlaw. Niagi means the other day, something like that. It means it already passed. Okay? Niagi means past already. Adlaw is day. So, niaging adlaw means the other day. Okay? 4, ganinang kadlawon. Ganinang kadlawon. Or you can say ganihang kadlawon. That means earlier this dawn. Kadlawon means dawn. Ganina is earlier. So let's summarize. Nga linker can be contracted when the adjective or the pronouns ends with a vowel. The nga will become ng and will be attached to the word, adjective, or pronouns or nouns. If it ends with a consonant, the nga cannot be contracted except if the consonant ends with n. If it ends with consonant n, only G will be attached. Okay, mga higala, I hope you learned a lot from this lesson. So now you know how to use the nga linker. So that's all for today, mga higala. If you have any questions, please use the chat box on my site for faster communication. Daghang salamat mga higala for learning Bisaya with your Maestra Judy. I hope to see you in another lesson. Bye for now.